Welcome back, guys. Welcome again. It's the mid of December 2025, the 15th day of December. So, guys, and last time I shared a video on when the gold market was playing at this round, this place. So yes, so I'm going to share with you where the market was that time, the second day of this month. The market came, they tested at 27, this this 204168, and it was just around this place. It was just playing around this place, and yeah, it came at this point around 6170. 4167, just play around this place, this zone. After 2 weeks, then that is on Thursday, Friday, yeah, on the Friday, on Thursday, and then they decided to continue moving upside. I can see the retest. So it came, retested, play around for 2 weeks. Then it moved, broke that level, retested again, retest again. Then you can see. Then so that was on Thursday and Friday, and also Friday. You can see very well around 5 p.m. It went up to 43.70, 43.51, and it sold the same Friday. And day the morning, that is Monday, the Asian session, the market bought, and the buy was up to 9 a.m. today in the morning. So the market has from 42.99, it has bought to 43.50. That's a good buy. I saw that coming, and you can see for now, evening, that is 7 p.m. on the 15th day of November. Now the market is selling from 43.50, the highest point, that is 53. Now it is 43.04. You can see that is a very good double top. It is formed a double top. So that is a price action. So it has sold, bought again, now is selling. So we're going to wait for it to do its thing, just go consolidate at this point, and then eventually it's going to break at 43.50, depending the demand, depending the supply and demand. But you can still see the market, the highest point was 43.82, and now it is 53. So there is still a room. It is still going to cross that level. You can see in terms of price action, the market is going very well. Because so the market came, retested, formed a double bottom, then moved, retested, retested at this point, it has to form some kind of double bottom. So this is it is just at that point. That is another double top, double bottom. Then it is at this point. That is where it was for the past. This is December. Just it is at this point for the longest time. So let's see. Let's confirm so that I can be clear on that. So from the first day of December to 10th. Those are daily time, the daily candles. You can see that is that is 10 days from the first to 10. That is 11. So 1 plus 10. You can see the volume is 6.4 million. 8 bars. So 8 bars from that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That is those are 10 days, and I'm very sure that is daily time frame. The market is coming there. 42.90. Look at how it has dropped. 42.67. So around 42.70. It's going to retest at that point. The, that is the market structure plus the price action and what the market does. You don't need to just you don't need to fill everything here on this chart. So those drawings, yeah. So the market is like retested, and now to come to this point, once it comes to this point, so I'm going to delete everything here. So it will come. It came, retested, came, retested, came. Here's the double bottom, some small double bottom, another one. Now it will come here, retest, come again, retest as 42, 50 or 70, 60 there. And then it's going to reach 40, even 44. No, there. That is where it is going to move. That is daily time from. We have that is how I can analyze this thing. I cannot go beyond that because the more you analyze, the more you have many approaches, the more you become confused. Long time I was using this one. Well, I don't want to complicate everything. Yeah, that is what I see. So the market might come here, might come at 60, 70 there, and then it's going to go up or bullish to be bullish again. Yeah, so because now it is the New York session in the morning, you're going to sell to maybe 42, 70 or 80. Yeah, so that is gold. So I don't like going beyond 1 hour time frame because the more the lower the more you go lower, the more the lower those the lower time frames. Most of them have there's a lot of noise. So because you can see higher time frames are buying, or like this one is selling, but in lower time frame it is buying. So why should you let's go in 15 time frame, 15 time frame. Yeah, market is selling. Yeah, market is selling. 42, this is selling. So they have to align the 4 hour time frame and the 15 time frame, they have to be aligned. So this is selling. That is what I can say. So For US 30, we can say in daily time frame. In daily time frame for US 30, this one is going to retest at this point. That is what I anticipated, and then it's going to go upside. That is for US 30. That is for US 30. Yeah, it bought and it dropped. So it can still form a double bottom here and then continues into the upside. That is daily time. That is the 4 hour time frame. For what? For in 1 hour time frame, you can see it has formed a kind of double bottom, and you can see it maybe yesterday, not yesterday, tomorrow 16. You can see we might see it at 42.68. Why not 48.680 or even 49, because this is the highest point. Yes, that is for US 30. Not much, but it has sold, bought. Um, mm, so that is on 12, that is on Friday. So tomorrow, today, it has bought up to um, 5 3 p.m. That's sold. So you need to just be aware of what is happening. So yes, for Nasdaq or Nas 100 or US Tech, US Technology, US Tech, whatever. So just the same name for two different names for same things. So yeah, that is what I say. Oh, this is what the market is going to go up, and yeah, you can see there's a kind of bottom, double bottom here. So it might continue going upside and then sell. That is what I was anticipating for Bitcoin. No, let's go for time frame. You can see it has formed a double bottom. So let's wait for tomorrow. What is going to happen? Maybe if you are keen, is that US 30, Nasdaq, and gold were selling. That is also shall we confirm for the news what has happened. So for the Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, we can see daily time frame. Daily time frame says that this is a sell. This is can see a very good. It's a good. It might come. It might just come. It may not break this level. If it breaks, we are going down. It can also fake it to that one 81 100. That is 81 144. And maybe it can continue. Because you can see this is a double bottom. The market has come again here and just doing its thing to retest at this point. Maybe you can see it maybe in the next few weeks, the next 2 weeks before January, because it's just 15 days remaining. Maybe it's going to go up. Yeah, but though it will going to, it may even take more time. Yeah, or more days. Yeah. Yes, that is for what is I can see today, and I can see for let's see for the forex market what has been happening for this is USD. This is the pound USD. The pound USD has been was to buy. This was on until 9th. It was on when Tuesday for that Tuesday Wednesday there last week. The bought, then it will come in place at this point, and it's going to continue moving upside. Mm. For US, for you, US, for you, for the other pair, like Euro USD is another buy. Of course, it was another buy. I saw it at this point. Funny thing, these guys, there's something they do. So at this point, the just you come retest and the market always comes retest and they break the levels so that traders can think, or those who are new in the game, so that they can think the market is selling, so they sell. But you have to wait. You have to be patient enough to see this one because because one see very well clearly the market is going to retest and then continue upside, and you can see it formed a double bottom. That is in a 1 hour time frame. You can see this clearly. It was also to come at the point and then retest to form a double bottom, then move. Of course is going to retest at this 1.1 1.17500. Okay, and then move is so what is the highest point of we have a long way to go. Hey, wow, okay. This is why it is good to consider the higher time frames. So you can see very well. There's no those are noise. So it means the market is come at this point. This might be can be the first CTP at 1.8267, and the next one might be 1.1.19. Let's make it higher. 1.1922. That is the second TP. Also, this market is reached at this point. When was that is on September 17th. So it is coming there. You just need to buy this and in terms of risk management, like, depending with your account, make your risk do something with the risk management so that you will not you don't have to expose your account to that big percentage. So that is for Euro USD. That is, and another one for so that is was you can see if you go lower, that is those are noise. This is a double bottom, then retest, then continue. Wow, that is very clear. You don't need to go below that. Because if I go at that 30 minutes in 30 uh, time frame, there's a lot of noise. Let's see. So I'm going to sell for that small peep. Eh? Whereas I can go for this big movement here. Imagine who bought at this level or after this retest up to this and they even continue to the upside. That is very good. You buy and then you chill. How easy is it? That is very easy. So that is Euro USD, and we have the Euro JPY, Euro and Japanese yen. We have Japanese yen. This is Japanese yen. Daily time frame. I don't want to lose noise. And the market is going to retest at it. Of course, it has retested. That is 1.181. 181. 182. So let's go to see if it has formed a double bottom there. Confirmation. Okay, of course. This thing is going to come at 2183 200. That is where it is coming next. That is the next move. Where is my thing? We are going to put this. Yeah, go to this. So I'm going back to one those higher time frame. Where is this? It is coming there again at this point. 183 200. No matter what, you are coming again there. Huh? Ah, yeah, we have another one called. Oh, of course, I saw this long time ago. Euro, howdy, the Australian dollar from Australia. Huh? So this is euro howdy. So this is a good double bottom, and the market is going to come at this 1.79 or even 1.78. So I remember I was selling that, but it was long a time ago. This is May 20th. Yeah, I can see very clear. Retest, then boom, go up, and it is come at this point 1.77 600. So I think that is very easy. Uh-huh. For Audi card, the Australian card, that is Canadian dollar. So that is Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. Can see where in terms of map, you can see where Canada is. It's around the southern part of the northern part of America, the USA, versus the the howdy. So let's go to daily time frame. You can confirm. Let me. So I'm going to come again in Audi card in the next. So yeah.